Alright folks, let me show you how you do this. Like I say, I just baled straw. I just went through this baler yesterday. I actually done what nobody else, everybody says not to do. And what I done was I pressure washed the entire baler, inside and out. Hold on just a minute. Anyway, I pressure washed it and inspected it really good. That's part of maintenance, because I hadn't used it since last fall. But anyhow, greased everything. That's the thing, you can pressure wash it. I don't care what they say, you can do it. But you have to grease and oil it immediately afterwards and make sure you get all the water pushed out of your joints. Don't spend a lot of time with the pressure washer on the knotters. Don't do it. You can rinse them off, but don't spend a lot of time in these knotters with that pressure washer, because it'll force, the pressure forces the water into the joints. Anyhow, here's my inspection. Can you see that spring down there? That's a feeder spring for this. Now it's not a hard fix, but that's what was hitting yesterday. I told you there's something hitting if that video comes out while I was baling. And what it is, it leaves that feeder up and it shows something. Yep, looks like it shows on the end where it's hit right there several times. And see, this one spring right back down. With the spring, that's what you want. I've got two springs missing. So those are simple, cheap fixes that will save you a lot of headache in a hayfield. Not that it'll run without them, don't get me wrong, because I mean they're kind of gravity. But they can get stuck up, and if they get stuck up in that position for some reason, and the plunger and the knife hit it over here, there you go. You're going to have a problem. Anyhow, thought I'd show you that. I'm going to finish cleaning what I'm going to clean for now on this and get it unhooked, because I've got more round bales to put up today, and I've got fields to rake. How you waiting? See you later.